Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, spring rolls, samosa and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we will be preparing plain rice with tomato stew and flaky crunchy fried chicken. The ingredients for today's recipe are 1.5 cup of cornflakes of your choice, 1 egg, 4 cups of rice, 5.5 cups of vegetable oil, frozen ginger, garlic and onion paste, chicken drumsticks, green peppers and red onions, 1 medium-sized sachet tomatoes of your choice, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 maggi cube of your choice, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt. Let's get started. Put the chicken drumsticks in a bowl, add some water to it, and wash it thoroughly. Try to scrape it off and trim any film or dirt on the ends of the chicken thigh or drumsticks, and put them in a saucepan. Add in the ginger, garlic and onion paste, 1 tablespoon of powdered salt and some water. Then bring it to a boil for 15 minutes. After it cooks, remove the chicken from the stock and put it on a plate. Let's blend the pepper and the onions. Pour the pepper and onions in a bowl. Add some water and then peel, wash and cut the onions. Then wash and peel the tips of the pepper. After that, put the peppers and onions in a blender. Add some water and then blend it into a fine paste or until it's smooth. Pour water into another saucepan. Add in the kosher salt and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the rice and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Stir it together and bring it to a boil for 20 to 25 minutes. Stir the halfway cooked rice and cover it with a napkin for 10 more minutes. The plain rice is ready. Crush the cornflakes into smaller pieces and then pour 3 cups of oil into a frying pan. Allow it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Now use a knife to score or cut into the sides of the chicken to enable it to become crunchy after it is fried. Crack the egg onto a plate, whisk it with a fork and put the chicken in the egg mixture. Egg wash the chicken, put it in the crushed cornflakes and coat the chicken with the cornflakes. And then put it in the oil to fry. Do so for the rest of the chicken and put it in the oil to fry as well until golden brown. After the chicken is fried, remove it and put it on a tissue covered plate to soak all the oil. Pour 2 cups of oil into another frying pan. Slice some red onions into the oil and let it fry for 5 minutes. Now add in the blended pepper and onions and let it fry for 15 minutes. Add in the tomato paste, stir it together and bring it to a boil for 20 to 25 minutes or until all the water in it is drained. Now add in the curry powder the nutmeg, the salt and the maggi cube. Stir everything together with the stew and then add in some chopped red onions and stir it together once again. Then bring it to a boil for about 5 to 10 more minutes. Serve the rice on a plate, spread the stew on the rice and then put the chicken on it as well. And enjoy this deliciousness with your friends and family. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Make it a point to watch my videos this and every Thursday for wholesome content and amazing recipes that you can try out with your friends and family. I would like to use this opportunity to welcome you to the channel if this is your first time ever watching my video, and thank you for watching it till now. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. God bless you all. Let's all join hands for this channel to grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.